Hello there, guys. How are you doing? I meant to stream a lot earlier, so I'm not going to be on here for long. But I just had to jump on here anyway, just to check a few things. There was some update happening on some software things on the computer, so I wanted to try it out, see what happens with it. How are you getting on? Maybe a little bit brighter. I think that's bright enough. Are we bright enough? Let me know. Anyway, who do we have here? I'm on Twitch and I'm on YouTube here. Maria, how are you getting on? And Katie there as well. Sock and Le Boutins. Le Bouton. It is Prosecco night. I've just been warned. When I told her I was streaming for an hour, I said, what, an hour? So, it'll be a quick hour here. We'll see how we're getting on. Waiting for the snowstorm tomorrow. There's a snowstorm. Patty? If it is good, sounds good. Okay, nice one. Okay, and who's that? So Patty's on. I'm doing good. I'm tired. You might be wondering, what the hell are you tired for? Okay, so Twitch, and we're on YouTube as well. So, Sarah Lockyer and Maria Sudastrom are on YouTube. So, right, I'm gonna do a couple of songs here. I didn't really plan what I was gonna do, so let's see. I was gonna start off a song I had in my head here, a Beatles song. Let a few more join in there if they're going to be joining. If you think someone would like to catch an hour of some live music here from yourself, give them share it to them or something like that, or give them a tag or whatever you need to do. Let me see here. Everybody having a good Sunday? Nice Sunday. What did you do today? Nothing. Actually faking nothing. Okay. I haven't done this one in a while. It's a song I've just seen your face. Beatles song. I'll try it. Different guitar. Yeah, this is my a little guitar, a little mating guitar I had, and I wanted just to see what it was like plugging it straight in. But this would be a parlor guitar. Katie, you were asking about parlor size guitars. That's a parlor size guitar. It's a mini maiden, and they've got class pickups in them. Anyway, this one is I've just seen a face. Of this, I've been alone and I have missed things, kept out of sight. Other girls were never quite like this. Die, 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 die. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Oh, falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Thanks very much. That was a little bit of the Beatles there. I've just seen a face. Nice one. My hair is dancing. Yes, it is. I have the old hat I bought in Walmart when I was over there in Raglan Road last November, and this was my working out hat. I actually worked out more in that month than I did in the last 5 years, I think. Haven't heard that song in a long time. It's a brilliant song. It's a great song. The Beatles have just hit after hit after hit. Hey, here is Parachun's mum. Hello. Guten Abend. Wubersen. Wubersen. How are you getting on? I hope you're good. And those of you who don't know, Parachun. Is it Pachun or Parachun? Pachun? Did you forget the RA? Patuns? Maybe I read it wrong. This now? Paratune's mom. All right. I was thinking there. Right, I see it there. And a Blackbird. I don't know Blackbird. I don't know after hit just like ABBA. I was in the pipeline. Do you know any Eddie Vedder? And I don't know any Eddie Vedder. No, I don't. But I must learn some. Right. I'm gonna. What else do I have here on this thing here? I'll do a song here called Boston Rose. I helped the boys there do a video, all folked up, and the song. And I knew the song already, but I just want to sing it now because it's in my head, and I've been singing it for a little while. And I probably know the words more than I think I know now. All right, skip trial. Nice one. So, is there anyone? Christina, how are you? Christina is on YouTube. Jack Whitefoot, how are you getting on? Nice one. Happy Sunday. Desert Oasis. HS. What's that mean? Anyway, so this is Boston Rose. This is a little bit something. She moved through the fair sneak preview. Okay, I'll do that one for you as well, Katie. It's tonight. No, I'm banging the ear. See, I wasn't even going to go live until I had all the requests done, but I kind of felt like I just wanted to go live, and I think it was nice. It was nice just to go live, and but I didn't get any of the requests done. I can try it again for you. I can have a look at the chords this time, Paddy, if you want, or you can wait for a less murdered version. That will make sense to you. What time is it in Hobbitland? Should I wake up early, Paddy? Paddy's from Hobbitland. Right, okay. Have all gone, and the children, they have all gone back to school, and my life is as it was before. I work 8 hours a day, but the company still making all the rules. But there's a girl in Massachusetts, south of Boston town, she said, and her lovely face is with me all the day. Well, I met her down in Old Tralee, golden hair upon her head. Well, I took her heart and she stole mine away. So goodbye, my Boston beauty. Farewell, my Boston Rose. I wait for you, I think of you, no threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty. Farewell, my Boston Rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. There's a song we sang all summer long in the bars of And some nights when I am drinking and my friends are gathered round, and just for fun someone brings up your name, well, I smile there with the rest of them, but I can't hear a sound. Say I love you, but to them it's all the same. And nights when I'm alone, my love, you come into my mind, and visions flash across the Emerald Isle. Now I'll watch the moon there up above, and I'll leave this earth behind, and I'll sail to you as I go passing by. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wait for you, I'll think of you, a threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. Muchas gracias. There's a song there called Boston Beauty, and All Folked Up have that one out at the moment there, a fantastic version of it. And that was written by the late great Liam Riley, who just passed away about a week ago or something, 2 weeks ago. Nice one. Okay. Let me see here. I'll keep going without. I'll pick something else out here. Tidy, mate. This is one of those guitars you kind of need up around your neck. Labada bass. All right. Okay. I saw another song here that I'm going to do for you. I'll do a song here, Ordinary Man. I was supposed to do that last night. I'll do it tonight here for the correct. Let me see. I've done this one in high leader. What did I do? Okay. And is that bass thingy movable, or do you just have one? I have one in every guitar, but this one is actually movable. This particular one is movable. You'll see it there. It's a different. It's like kind of like a sound hole pickup. It can screw in and out of the guitars. This one is movable, but I do have, you can see on the on this guitar. Yeah, let me see it there. The one the guitar I was using last night, that has its own one, and there's 3 guitars back there, and one of them has it as well, but I don't use the other ones for the bass stuff. They're tuned differently. But yeah, all my gigging guitars, mostly all of them have it, and all my guitars are gigging guitars at one stage. This is the sub. The newest one, Sub Pro, I think. Alright, so now. ask for a lot. I was happy with what I got, enough to keep my family and my home. Now they say the times are hard, and they've handed me my card. They say there's not the work to go around. When the whistle blows, the gates will finally close. Tonight they're gonna shut this factory down. Well, they tear it down. Well, they tear it down. Well, I never missed a day, went to strike for better pay. For 20 years I gave the best I could. With a handshake and a check, it's not easy to forget the loyalty through the bad times and the good. Now the owner says he's sad to see the things have got so bad, but the captains of industry won't let him loose. He still smokes a cigar and he drives a brand new car, and still he takes his family on a cruise. He'll never lose. He'll never lose. And now it seems to me such a cruel irony. He's richer than he ever was before, and now me check is spent and I can't afford the rent. One law for the rich, one law for the poor, and every day I try to salvage some of my pride, that I might find some work to pay my way. But everywhere I go, well, the answer's always no. There's no work here for anyone today. No work today. No work today. Now here condemned I stand, just an ordinary man, like the thousands here before me in the queue. And I watch me darling wife trying to make the best of life. God knows what the kids are going to do. Now that we are faced with this human waste, a generation cast aside. For as long as I live, oh, I never will forgive. They stripped me of my dignity and pride. Well, they stripped me bare. They stripped me bare. Oh, they stripped me bare. Oh, they stripped me bare. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of Christy Moore, Ordinary Man. I don't think he wrote that one. Not too sure if he wrote that one or not. He co-wrote this one with Bono. This one's a song called North and South. To reach out over the lock, feel your hand across the water, walk with you along an unapproved road, not looking over my shoulder. I want to see, I want to hear, to understand your fears. We're north and south of the river, but we're north and south of the river. Well, I've been doing it wrong all of my life. This holy town has turned me over. A young man on the run from what he didn't understand, that the wind from the loch just blew colder and colder. Was a badness that had its own way. Love was not lost, it just got mislaid. North and south of the river, south of the river. South of the river. Some high ground is not worth taking, and some connections are not worth taking. Some old songs are not worth singing, and some old songs are not worth singing. North and south of the river. North and south of the river. But more north and south of the river. North and south of the river. Thank you very much. There's a song called North and South. I forgot the last verse there. I'm really nailing the harmonies tonight. Nice one. Very, very good. Nas what Diada from Wales. Oh, jeebus. It's a cool song. What's that hairy thing? That is the... Oh, yeah, a couple of polar bears died for that thing. The furry thing in the background there. It's on a couch. Or a chair. A new chair. A new second-hand chair. Do you use the same tip jar? You don't. You don't have to use a tip jar at all. You don't have to tip at all. This is just this is a free gig, and the other gig is free as well. But you don't have to tip at all. I'm just doing this for the music and to build up a little bit of some content, some songs I can put up on Instagram and TikTok and all that kind of stuff there. So just enjoy the music and don't worry about the old tips there for now. It's the finest. And fire in the old requests. If I know the song, sure, I'll do it for sure. Oh yeah, I haven't done this one in ages. Let me see here. I'll try this one. I came across this one. I did this one years ago. I used to do this one, and then a lot of people start doing the same version, so I stopped doing it. Need to get it online. What's it called again? Oh yeah. Okay, let's try this. This is a Green Day song, and I haven't done this. I saw it. Came across it on my YouTube feed there the other day, and I said I'd try it. Let's try it and get a bit of reverb here. What do you think of that? Yeah. All right. See if I remember the chords and the words. So, any Green Day fans out there? I'll do My Heart Tonight's in Ireland there for you. who said that? Maria, I'll do that for you in a little bit. All right, and let's see what's going on YouTube. Any chance to hear right on? I'll do that one for you, Marcel. I'll do right on for you. City of Chicago. I can't remember if I went over that one or not. And so this is totally has the song. He totally has FOMO. It's so funny that this thinks that no stuck. I don't want to snow or something. Okay, so let me try this one. Have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Well, I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She said it's the lack of sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. So quit my whining, 'cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up, and I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Thanks very much. There's a little bit of a basket case. And Alanis Morissette does a slow version like that, and it's class. Check out that version of it, it's really good. Nice one. Okay, if you just joined us, I'm going to be streaming for a little bit more, a few more minutes here, and then I got to go. So I saw My Heart Tonight's in Ireland and Ride On. I'll do My Heart Tonight's in Ireland first here, then I'll do Ride On, and then we'll see who I can finish off with then. Let me know if you'd like to hear a stream tomorrow, or does that suit anyone there at all? Because I didn't get to do it long here today, and I wanted to try a couple of songs. Maybe I can get a few of those requests done. I was one, Bang in the Ear, wasn't it? Was that right, Paddy? Deadly version. I did it too high. You stood in F sharp, but I was too high for me now. I should have did it down in E or E flat. So here's My Heart Tonight's in Ireland.
Scariff, the sun was shining in the sky when Willie Clancy played his pipes, and the tears welled in my eye. Many years have passed and gone since the time that we had there. Now my heart tonight's in Ireland, in a sweet county Clare. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, nothing can compare. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. That August in Kilrush, when the rain was a lashing down, and our hotel was a hay barn on the outskirts of town. We were all sick and feverish, and Olin had the flu. But Johnny produced some whiskey, and the sun came smiling through. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, nothing can compare. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. Those nights in 6 Mile Bridge, when the songs and music flowed, and when it came to closing time, sure the lights were turned down low. Sergeant from Kilkishen, he would buy us all one more, and we never left the pub until the clock was striking 4. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. In his time in the Scanner and Kilkee, but best of all was Milltown, when the music flowed so free. Willie Clancy and the county Clare, I'm forever in your debt, for the sight and sound of yesteryear, there shining memories yet. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, compare. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. My heart tonight is far away across the rolling sea, in the sweet mill town Malbay, stay right along to be. So long ago and far away, but nothing can compare. My heart tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet county Clare. In the days of Sweeney, in the sweet county Clare.
Heart. Tonight's in Ireland, in the sweet County Clare. Nice one. Okay, I'll do right on here for you. Prosecco night is still on. It may be happening without me. I don't know. But let's do this one here. I know why that was too high for me the last time, because this is tuned up a half step to accommodate. So that's normally my D. That's now the D sharp or E flat. So that's why I was struggling. Let's say that. Okay. Love the bass drum. Hope my neighbours do too. I hope he has time for it today. What are you looking for? Did I miss something there? What did I miss? Was it not with the same old story? Was that the one that I missed there? Pandasaurus. What did I miss, pal? Let me know, because I could miss it here, looking at it here. Pop it in there, and if I see it, I'll try and squeeze it in there. So this is right on. This is for Marcel over here on YouTube. Thanks very much. Okay, stream tomorrow. It doesn't suit some people there, but you could watch the. I'm just thinking about it because I have the stuff set up here, and I'm too lazy to take everyone down again. Excuse me. So here's 1, 2. Can I get a bit more reverb in there? What do you think?
True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. And you ride that horse so well, with hands like to the touch. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. And you ride into the night without trace behind. Run your claw along my gut one last time. I turn to face an empty space where you used to lie. I look for a spark that lights the dark like a teardrop in my eye. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. or two.
Thank you very much. Dookie was a killer album. Dookie was an absolute class album. Green Day is actually one of my favourite bands, I have to say. And I don't know that many of their songs, but I just grew up listening to them instead of playing their music. If you know what I mean. They're gone a bit weird now, though, to be honest. So I'm kind of gone off them. No bother, Marcel. That's the song that I missed there for Pandasaurus. Okay, not with the same old story. I'll try that one for you, pal. And then what else came in here? Hard Times and Danny Boy. I'll do tomorrow. If I'm doing the stream there tomorrow, I'll do that one for you. And I'll do She Moved to the Fair as well. I just need to get the words out there for you as well. Parlour guitar makes me think you should be sat in a parlour wearing a 1780s dress and wig drinking tea. I thought the same thing when I heard about parlour guitars first, but I think that's where they came from. I think they may have started off being ladies' guitars. No, I don't want to be sexist or playing wrong, but they may have been started off for girls because they're easier and smaller and stuff to hold and all that kind of carry on, and to play in parlours and stuff, you know, just for a little bit of background music. They're sitting down twinkling and twankling away on it, but they just got popular for everybody and anybody. Okay, not about the same old story, lads. I'm going to leave you off with this one, and I'm going to drink some Prosecco, and then I will see I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to leave the stuff set up here, and it'll inspire me to go out here again tomorrow and pick up where I kind of left off, if that makes sense. What do you think of that, mate? Nothing but same old story. Okay. This one down in. Okay. Nice one. Yeah. All right, guys. So thanks very much. And okay. Okay, let's try this one. It kind of sucks it out, buoy, but I'll try it here.
About 19 when I landed on their shore with my eyes big as headlights. Like the thousands of thousands that came before, I was gonna be something. I smiled at the man scrutinizing my face as I stepped down off the gangway. Came down to their city where I worked for many's a year, built 100 houses, pints of beer, living under suspicion, putting up with the hatred and fear in their eyes. You can see that you're nothing but a murderer. Yeah, in their eyes, we're nothing but a bunch of murderers. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion. Down the fire inside, look out. Yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll take you in pieces if you cross me. Sick of watching them break up. Every time some bird brain puts us down, making jokes on the radio. I guess I'd have them all drown out the sound of the crumbling foundations. Any fool could see the writings on the wall. They just don't happening. There's a crowd says I'm alright. City like mine, turn a phrase, take me around to their parties. I like some dressed on monkey in a cage and I play my accordion. Oh, So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place for weekend, but that right, wash away the confusion. Rolls down the Ciaran side. Look out. Yeah, I said look out. I'll take in the pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Got a brother in Boston. Said he sent me on the fair. Just wrote me a letter. Make it out that he's cleaning up out there. 2 cars in the driveway and a summer house way down on the Cape. I know he fixed me up in the morning, but I've been thinking about it, and it seems so far to go. People say in a winter get lost underneath the snow. Just this girl from my home place. We've been planning to move back and give it a try, so I never got around to going. Yeah, that's why I never got around to going. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place for weekend, but that right, wash away the confusion. Goes down the Ciaran side, but look out. Yeah, I said look out. Yeah, I said look out. Got to tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4.
Alright, takes a bit of work, this guitar sometimes. Sneaky Sunday session, that is right, Paul O'Brien. Yeah, Paul O'Brien, you snuck in there right at the end, right at the end. Have you got your notifications bell on, Paul? You have to stick it on there. I'm going to do another one tomorrow, Paul, as well. It could be no Sneaky Monday one as well. If you can come up with a name for the Monday session, work away. Thanks very much, Christina, thank you very much from Austria. And Catherine, thank you so much. Jack Whitefoot, I said Catherine Bryant. Carly-Ann, thank you so much. And Sarah as well. Marcel, thank you so much. And Katie's on there as well. And who else is here? I think that's all. That's on YouTube. So thanks very much, guys. Renata just jumped in there as well. So Renata and Paul, thank you very much. I'm going to stream. I think I'm going to stream tomorrow as well and leave the stuff set up here, and that'll kind of inspire me to go at it tomorrow and work out a few kinks that I'm running into here. And thanks for tuning in there as well last night to myself and Bowie. So all the guys here on Twitch as well, Sarah Rykoff and Trish, and Paddy and Maria and Katie. And Pandrasaurus there, no bother, pal, thanks very much. And Pandrasaurus there has given me a few messages online here on Twitch in the Whispers, that's what they're called. And he's given me some info to help me stream. So the stream is seen and all that kind of stuff there, and it's all new to me. On Twitch is new to me, Pandrasaurus. So thank you very much for helping out there. I put the two. My page and the Finn's page in the music category. I missed that. I didn't do that. And there was something you need to see. I need moderators as well for the stream to stop people being jerks and assholes and all that kind of shit. But I need to figure out about that as well. It is an absolute banger. And who else is there? Hey Johnny. Okay. Patty and Catherine Bryant on there as well. I don't want to miss anyone here. I want to thank everyone. So guys, thank you very much anyway, and I'll see you. And Parrot June's mom Dankeschön, Wubersen. So Dankeschön, Paratunes Mammy. And Trish is there as well. Thank you very much, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully all's good there. So thanks a million. What time tomorrow? Now, that's the tricky part. It'll probably have to be something around. I'll probably do it later because it suits more people for us later. So I'll probably do something 7 or 8 o'clock. If it's not 7, it'll be 8. How's that sound? Are we good with that? Probably 7 or 8 o'clock. We'll see. If I aim for something earlier, it never works out. It needs to be like, I think it's probably going to be 8 o'clock, I'd say, because that probably suits a lot of people. Probably except for poor Paddy down there in NZ, and they're in the future. So, guys, thanks very much. And anything I didn't get through, I'll go through over there again and see what I have to do for tomorrow. 8 p.m. is good. Okay. Sometime after 8. Okay, that's cool. So we'll head for around 8. It could be a little bit after. So 8:30, yeah. You got me. Yeah, I was aiming for 7 o'clock today, but it ended up being 8. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. And thanks for tuning in. Adios.